Best mini fridges. Mechanical keyboards have gained popularity among typists and gamers for their tactile feedback, durability, customizable layouts, and overall value. Similarly, choosing the right mini fridge involves evaluating build quality, capacity, layout, and functionality to match your lifestyle. Whether for a dorm room, office, or home bar, a good mini fridge balances portability, storage, and ease of use. This guide reviews 5 of the best mini fridges, highlighting features, performance, and value, helping you find the perfect compact cooling solution for beverages, snacks, or specialty items like wine.
Product number 1, Crownful Mini Fridge. The Crownful Mini Fridge is an ultra-compact solution ideal for personal use, from dorm rooms to skincare storage. With a 4-liter capacity, it holds around 6 standard 12-ounce cans and is portable enough to fit on a desk or counter. Its standout feature is dual functionality. It can cool down to 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit or warm up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for drinks, snacks, or skincare products. It operates quietly and works with both AC and DC power, which is convenient for home, office, or travel use. The controls are simple and intuitive, and the rechargeable battery provides flexibility. While its small size limits general food storage, this mini fridge delivers excellent versatility, convenience, and value for its compact footprint.
Product number 2, Antarctic Star 18L Beverage Refrigerator Cooler 24 Can. The Antarctic Star 18L Beverage Refrigerator is designed specifically for drinks, holding up to 24 standard 12-ounce cans. Its compressor-based cooling system operates quietly, with temperatures ranging from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 61 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for chilling beverages or wine. The compact design fits on countertops or small spaces, while the blue LED interior lighting adds a modern aesthetic. Users appreciate its efficient cooling and quiet operation. While it lacks a freezer compartment, it offers excellent functionality for beverage storage. Its portability, efficient design, and targeted purpose make it a practical choice for dorm rooms, offices, or home entertainment areas.
Product number 3, Frigidaire 3.1 Cubic Foot 2-Door Retro Series Compact Refrigerator. The Frigidaire 3.1 Cubic Foot Retro Series Compact Refrigerator combines functionality with style. It features a separate freezer compartment and practical interior options, including glass shelves, a door basket for 2-liter bottles, and a can dispenser. Its retro-inspired design adds charm to kitchens, offices, or studios. Reviewers highlight its effective cooling and freezer performance, making it suitable for small apartments or secondary kitchens. The doors require careful placement due to clearance, and minor cosmetic issues can occur during shipping. Overall, the Frigidaire Retro offers a blend of aesthetics, reliable cooling, and compact size, making it a top choice for users seeking style and practicality.
Product number 4, Igloo 3.2 CFT Single-Door Compact Refrigerator with Freezer. The Igloo 3.2 Cubic Foot Single-Door Compact Refrigerator provides a straightforward, space-efficient solution with a built-in freezer. It features manual thermostat control, 2 slide-out glass shelves, and a door bottle rack, accommodating multiple beverage bottles and frozen items. Its simple design makes it ideal for dorms, offices, or secondary kitchens. Users report reliable performance and affordable pricing, though large bottles may fit tightly and minor shipping damage is possible. For those prioritizing functionality and capacity over design, this Igloo model offers solid value and dependable cooling in a compact footprint.
Product number 5, Zephyr Preserve 24-inch Wine Fridge Dual Zone Under Counter. The Zephyr Preserve 24-inch dual-zone wine fridge is a premium under-counter option designed for wine enthusiasts. It features electronic temperature control, vibration reduction, and dual zones to store red and white wines at optimal temperatures. The smooth pull-out racks and capacity for approximately 45 bottles make it ideal for home bars or kitchens. Its quiet operation and stylish design are frequently praised. While more expensive than simpler mini fridges, the Zephyr excels in build quality, temperature control, and dual-zone functionality. For wine or specialty beverage storage, it offers exceptional performance, durability, and aesthetic appeal.